Drywall was invented by the Americans in 1890. It has a history of more than 100 years. In 1902, the world's first plasterboard production line was put into production. Then European and American countries and Japan have also built the Gypsumboard production line. This paper gypsum board has been rapidly developed. The production of plasterboard in some economically developed countries is increasing year by year. By 1995, the annual production of plasterboard in the United States had reached 2.3 billion (600 million MR in Japan and 300 million MR in Canada, according to incomplete statistics. At present, there are more than 250 enterprises producing plasterboard in the world. Paper gypsum board production reached 6.5 billion MR. The United States accounts for about 35% of the world's plasterboard production. Western Europe accounts for about 20% and Asia about 30%. Plasterboard in Europe and the United States and Japan and other developed countries. It has become a new building material with rapid development and wide use. While the production of plasterboard has grown rapidly, the production technology of gypsum board has also been developed rapidly. At present, in the developed countries, the scale of a single production line has generally reached the annual output of 50 million MR. Some countries are building production lines with an annual capacity of 80 million MR. At the polling speed of the plasterboard production line, the United States has the highest production line speed of 120米每分钟. Germany also reached 100 meters per minute. The booming development of the domestic plasterboard market has also attracted some large foreign enterprises. Germany's Knauf, France's Lafarge, Britain's BPB and other companies have invested in China. The joining of foreign enterprises has accelerated the development of domestic plasterboard and further established the paper gypsum board in the new building materials occupy an important position. By 2017, the production capacity of domestic plasterboard has reached 4 billion MR. Building gypsum is the basic material of gypsum products and building gypsum cement. Together with lime and cement, they are the three main cementing materials in construction materials. With the development of new building materials, gypsum powder as building interior decoration materials, widely used as partition, ceiling, plaster and decorative pieces, welcomed by the market. Building gypsum has the following characteristics. The first, energy-saving. Building materials industry in the country's industrial production system. Energy consumption according to the first place, solid bricks and cement are energy intensive. 2000, the energy consumption of cement and clay brick is expected to exceed 150 million tons of standard coal. This will put great pressure on our energy industry. Therefore, the production of clay bricks and energy-intensive cement must be controlled. Replace them with other materials that use less energy. Among the three major cementing materials, cement, lime and gypsum, the energy consumption of gypsum is the lowest, about 1/4 of the energy consumption of cement. Among all materials, gypsum building products have the lowest energy consumption. Drywall uses only 37% of the energy of solid clay bricks. The second light. The bulk density of gypsum building product is 800到1100千克 M3. It is only 1/3 of the bulk density of cement concrete products, clay solid bricks and various industrial waste slag products used in construction projects, especially when high-rise buildings, will greatly reduce the weight of the building. Third, good fire performance. Gypsum building product in the main mineral composition of calcium sulfate dihydrate. When the outside temperature rises, calcium sulfate dihydrate starts to break down and release water. Water vapor film is formed on the surface of the product, which plays a barrier role to the flame, which slows the temperature rise on the back of the product. It bought time for people to evacuate the fire quickly and put it out. The fire resistance limit of the wall assembled with ordinary gypsum board can reach more than 2小时. The fire resistance time can be increased from 30分钟 to more than 3小时 if the reinforced concrete is painted 1.5厘米 thick with glass mesh. The fourth set and hardened quickly. Usually, the final setting time of building gypsum powder is not more than 30分钟 due to the fast setting and hardening. It is conducive to the mechanization and automatic continuous production of products. If used in the production of gypsum decorative plate, improve the mold turnover speed so as to improve production efficiency. When used for plaster painting, the construction period of interior wall plastering project can be shortened by more than 1 time compared with the traditional plastering period. It has special significance in winter construction. The fifth decoration effect is good. Gypsum cement for construction and gypsum building products. The color is white and soft. The surface is smooth and exquisite. And the decoration is elegant and luxurious. And can nail, can see, can reel, can paste. Convenient construction. The overall decorative effect is good, such as gypsum decorative plate, decorative line angle, lamp plate, Roman column and other products. This is incomparable to cement and lime. Sixth, health and comfort. Due to the porous nature of the microstructure of gypsum product, which makes it unique in its respiratory function of absorbing and releasing moisture from the air, thus improves the comfort of the living environment.